Good morning, all. Welcome back. So today we are going to continue the last session. What we discussed, based on the same concept. We would like to start some more problems on the directions, magnitude, how to find the magnitude, direction, angle, and with respect to this one, right? Now let me take a problem, right? So which is the continuation of the yesterday's class. Do you know? First thing is acceleration. So to start this problem, one should know in bridge course what is acceleration. In lower classes, you might be learned what is acceleration. Can anybody tell what is acceleration? Can anybody tell what is acceleration? Anybody? Acceleration, rate of change in velocity. Rate of change in velocity. So rate of change of velocity, we can write a delta V by a delta T like this. Delta V by delta T. So delta V by delta T, we can also, delta V is called now change in velocity will be called. This is called change in velocity. Change in velocity, right? Change in velocity. The problem is given, he'll ask you to calculate change in velocity. Then we'll be proceeding with this one. If it is time is given, we can calculate acceleration. Change in velocity. Change in velocity means in the last class we discussed, it is nothing but vector subtraction of two vectors. A subtraction of vectors, change in velocity, final minus initial, that you have to take. So one should have the basic concept of this to do this problem. Let me start a problem. A car is running. Let us say this is given in a previous entrance question also. So which is found in any books, even in our material also, this problem is there, right? Okay. A car, let us take, this is the car. Let me draw north, south, east, west. This is north, south, east, and west. Fine. A car is running towards west. That means it is going towards west. It is going towards west. Like this. So here it is. This is the direction of what? West. A car is moving towards west with a 10 meter per second. Car is moving towards west 10 meter per second. Then towards north, sharp turn towards north. Towards north. So north means in this particular direction. Immediately it has turned towards north. So it is going towards west. This is the direction of west. Then it is going sharp turn 90 degrees and straight going and turn 90 degrees. Right? Not like this. Not like this upwards. Going straight and turn. Okay. 90 degrees with a 10 meter per second. Again, it is continued with a 10 meter per second velocity. So this journey of time, that means the turning and achieving the time is nothing but 2 seconds. Delta T is equal to how much? 2 seconds. In 2 seconds, this process has completed. Then he is asking us to calculate what is the acceleration. What is acceleration? Magnitude of the acceleration, right? What is the magnitude of acceleration? And what is the angle made with respect to the thing? What is the angle and what is the direction? Let me give the options to you. A option, 5 root 2 45 degrees. 5 root 2 45 degrees north west. B option is 5 root 2 45 degrees south of west. C option 5 root 2 45 degrees north of east. And D option is 5 root 2 meter per second. Of course, this is in meter per second square. Meter per second square. Then 5 root 2 45 degrees is south of east. So what are the options? Let me know. 30 seconds you take. So C, most of them saying C is the option, and some of them saying A option, right? Some of saying C option, some of saying D option. Let me see. Let me see C option or let me see A option. Right? अब बोलिए कैसे करना, right? A option. Few of them saying C option, right? Let me find it out. Either it is C or A option. Fine. Then erase this one and take a screenshot of this problem, right? And take a screenshot. Erase the problem to solve. Done? Done, all of you? Gaya, ho gaya? Yes. Srija, done? Yes. Chalo. I'll erase this parts. here. First thing, how to solve this problem, right? Easy method to solve this one. See, directly we can draw, this is nothing but west direction, west. Right? And you can shift, this is turned towards north direction, this is north direction, west and north. Can I add the vectors like this? Yes or no? Can I add the vectors like this? No. Okay. So how we have to add? Always tail to tail or head to heads. I'm taking this is V1 towards 10 meter per second I cap minus I cap, because west direction is minus I cap, and V2 equal to 10 meter per second J cap. This is J, V1 and V2. So now I cannot add these two vectors. So which vector I have to shift parallel to get a tail and a tail? Easily tail and tail we can go instead of head and heads. So which we have to move, or what is the process we call it as? Most of them saying, I'm saying that head to tail, tail to tail, I'm saying. Tail to tail, the process is parallel shift, which has to be shifted parallelly. V1 or V2. Some of them saying V1, some of them saying V2, right? Tail to tail I have to join. If I want to join tail to tail, V को shift कर दो parallel. So now this is shifted parallel shifts. अब ये हो गया, देखिए. This is nothing but a knot, right? This is V2 equal to 10 J meter per second. हो गया 10 J meter per second. Now parallel shift कर दिया इसको. So this is a shifted parallel shifts. Parallel shift कर दिया, right? So arrange this one. कोई V1 बोल रहे बच्चे, V1 कैसा होता है रे? So tail to tail I shifted now. This is a tail plus tail आ गया. Okay. Now here it is V1 I cap and V2 10 J cap. Right? Simply we want the change in velocity. Of change in velocity, what we have to write? A delta V equals to change in velocity V2 minus V1. So here let me write a V1. V1 equal to minus a 10 meter per second I cap, and V2 equals to plus J 10 meter per second. Right? Or here I also we can write it as this, we can remove it. Right? V1 is there, V2 is there. Now delta V is equal to V2 minus V1. Final minus initial change. So V2 minus V1. अब देखियो delta V equal to V2 क्या है 10J, okay, minus V1 ना ऑलरेडी क्या है minus 10 है, minus of minus क्या होता प्लस हो जाएगा, right? So that means plus 10 I cap. हो गया इसका खत्म. So we have to find the magnitude of this one. So magnitude delta V equals to, so is it 2 dimension or 3 dimension? 2 dimension or 3 dimension? 2 dimension. Okay. And one important thing is 10J 10I. Okay. So this is two components, AX and AY. First वाला AX और AY बोल सकते क्या कोई? Carefully give the answer. Two components. A is equal to vector in 2 dimensional is represented as AX I cap plus AY J cap. सही बात है ना? AX I cap plus AY J cap. So first वाला क्या है? AY है. Okay, because it is with a unit vector along Y direction. Here unit vector along X direction. सही बात है ना? So now if you want the magnitude that one, then under root of AX square plus AY square, 100 plus 100. अब क्या बन जा रहा देखिए, delta V equals to magnitude of its, right, 10 root 2 meter per second. Okay, magnitude तो आ गया 10 root 2 meter per second. Acceleration magnitude में changes or not? Yes or no? बोलिए. Yes or no? Magnitude of acceleration may changes because after 2 seconds we require. Yes. Okay. Now and one more important thing in this acceleration, right? Velocity का जो change in velocity का जो direction है, same direction acceleration को रहेगा. Very important point. So change in velocity का final resultant direction जो है, the same direction will be their acceleration. So acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity, and its direction is along the direction of resultant of that particular velocity. Right? Let me see. Now I'll take and substitute here. Vector A क्या बन जा रहा देखिए, delta V magnitude कितना है 10 root 2 divided by delta T कितना है 2 seconds है 2 seconds. अब क्या होगा 5 root 2. A is equals to 5 √2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। ये क्या है? एक्सेलरेशन। ठीक रहा ना? एक्सेलरेशन आ गया। अब डायरेक्शन के बारे में सब लोगों को 5 √2 आया शायद, ओके, एंड उसके बाद में 45 भी आया, कंफ्यूजन मत लेना। सो हाउ टू फाइंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट साउथ ईस्ट, ओके। पहले क्या ना, व्हाट इज द रिजल्टेंट, दिस इज व्हाट चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, राइट। सो व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन फॉर दैट वन? डायरेक्शन अगर लेते तो जे कैप का डायरेक्शन क्या है? बोलिए, जे कैप का डायरेक्शन क्या है? नॉर्थ। तो ईस्ट बोल रहे, नॉर्थ नॉर्थ। आई कैप का डायरेक्शन क्या है? आई कैप का डायरेक्शन ईस्ट, ओके। कैसा करना हम लोग? नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट। देखिए, नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट, पहले क्या आ रहा? नॉर्थ आ रहा, उसके बाद में क्या आ रहा? ईस्ट आ रहा। वैसा वी विल डिसाइड नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट, राइट। पहले कौन सा आ रहा देखना, ओके। V2 माइनस V1, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू फाइनल, विथ फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो दैट मीन्स हियर वी आर गेटिंग नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट। समझ गया ना? नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट सब लोग। So there is no confusion, north of east. So whatever the direction is there here, it will be north of east. Is it clear? North of east बन गया। अब tan का वैल्यू ले लेते। डायरेक्शन क्या है? tan alpha is equals to, already in 2 dimension we discussed how to, can you repeat? अरे क्या, देखिए, how to find the direction इधर तक हो गया, जो रिपीट करो बोल के बोल रहे। For the students, those who wants to repeat, delta V is equal to 10J plus a 10I. Yes, 10J, J is in which direction? Those who want to repeat, somebody texted me to repeat, okay, north। उसके बाद में क्या आ रहा? ईस्ट। खत्म हो गया। नॉर्थ के बाद क्या आ रहा? ईस्ट। नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट इज द आंसर। समझ गए? ओके, राइट। नाउ नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट, tan अल्फा का एंगल चाहिए हमारे को, AY by AX, AY by AX, magnitude of it। Now alpha is equal to AY क्या बन जा रहा? 10 बन जा रहा। So 10 divided by 10, that is tan alpha is equals to 10 divided by 10, so alpha is equals to 45 degrees। ये भी बन गया, right? 45 degrees north of east, okay। Otherwise how you feel कैसा आ रहा आपको? नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट कैसा आ रहा सर? फील कैसा आना हमारे को, राइट। अब क्या करें? देखिए, दिस इज डन। सेम प्रॉब्लम विल एक्सटेंड टू हैव ए फील ऑफ फिजिक्स, राइट। डन। फील चाहिए, फील के लिए अब दिखा तू मैं। डन, ऑल ऑफ यू, चलो नाउ राइट, so this is minus 10 I cap, right? अब क्या करें? We want delta V equal to V2 minus V1, V2 minus V1, delta V कैलकुलेट करना। delta V minus V2 minus V1, that substitute करो directly। So delta V equals to V2 क्या है? 10 J cap plus minus of minus, it will be plus 10 I cap, right? I have 2 vectors now, so I have to draw for 2 vectors. This is the resultant, right? I have 2 vectors। See, delta V is equal to, I can also write a 10 I cap plus a 10 J cap। लिख सकते हो ना इधर? delta V is equal to 10 I cap plus 10 J cap। A plus B is equal to B plus A। लिख सकते हो? नहीं? Yes, no, बोलिए। Yes or no? Yes। So 10 I plus 10 J लिख सकते हो मैं, right? Okay, now coming back to, if I have these type of vectors, these two are the vectors I have to add, right? So first what I'll do, 10 I cap I'll be लेके ले लो, this is nothing but 10 I cap। 10 I cap किधर दिखा रहा हमारे को? ईस्ट, is nothing but east, right? सही बात है ना? समझ रहे सब लोग? 10 I cap, 10 I cap is towards what? East। 10 J cap किधर है? North, so that means this is nothing but north, this is north, right? This is 10 J cap। खत्म हो गया, completed, right? So here this will be the resultant। already we got a 5 √2, that is a velocity। If I take velocities at 10 √2 meter per second, 10 √2 meter per second, So how to measure the angle? Final to initial. Final to initial. देखो final to initial. This is final. This is nothing but initial. This is final. This is nothing but initial. सही बात है ना? Final to initial. Why not east of north? East क्या है? Initial है. अब final क्या है? North है. North of east. That means this is the direction of 45 degrees. समझ गया? Got it? Yes sir, no? बोलिए. Understood? All of you. Otherwise, reverse this vector. इधर reverse करो. खत्म हो गया. This is negative. उसका positive बन जा रहा. It's nothing but the 10 meter per second high cap. इधर तुम्हारे को resultant बन जा रहा. सही बात है ना? Reverse that one. Reverse it. You're getting one vector there. Got it? All of you. Fatima, समझ गया? Right? All of you. Yes. Or any doubt in this one? शरण्या चक्रवर्ती, बोलिए. किधर है डाउट्स? शरण्या बोलिए. नो नो क्या शरण्या? काली क्या है? मैग्नेट्यूड. ओके, वन मोर सम. ओके, वन मोर सम विल टेक. और एक सम बोल दे तू. राइट? आर यू रेडी? रेडी सब लोग? नो सर, नहीं रेडी. श्रीजा, श्रीजा नॉट रेडी. रेडी 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 रेडी. चलो, लेट मी स्टार्ट a problem. Fine, no doubts. Fine. A bird is flying. Yeah, two magnitudes are same, then it is 45. Already yesterday we discussed when two are having equal magnitudes, then the resultant bisects at an equal angle. खत्म हो जाता ना tan 45. ay by ax 1 बन जाएगा. Both are similar. Then we'll be getting the same answer. It will bisect equally on both sides. This we can say there is no problem. Okay. Let me start the problem. I want to do that problem. All of you, बोलिए. Yes. Okay. Right. A bird flying. A bird flying. ऐसा इसे जा रहा. A bird is flying towards east. A bird flying towards east. A bird, again bird. Again bird. Bird नहीं तो car ले लेते. So car is moving. Let us say anything you can say. Car is moving towards east with a 3 meter per second. 3 meter per second. Car moving towards east 3 meter per second and take a sharp turn towards north and continues with the velocity 4 meter per second. This is towards east 3 meter per second and turns towards north 4 meter per second. 4 meter per second. Right. Car moving towards east with 3 meter per second with this velocity. Then take a turn towards north with 4 meter per second. Velocity 4 meter per second. Okay. Then if it takes 5 seconds in turning, find acceleration. Magnitudes and direction. Magnitude and direction. I'm not giving the options. Just try the problem. Car moving towards east, take a turn 4 meter per second. If it takes 2 seconds, then 30 seconds. Magnitude बोल देते हैं. Angle बोलना और क्या बोलना? Direction बोलना. Vidula, not preparing previous classes. Theta 37 बोल रहे अश्रुत. Magnitude 1 theta. Not preparing a magnitude is 5. 45 बोल रहे. सब कुछ 45 तो नया था ना. सबका 45 कैसा था भैया? नया आएगा. Right. So let me see this problem. I'll solve this problem, then you see whether your answers are correct or not. first going towards east, right? Normally, without changing, without using parallel shift concept, only ijk vectors I'll use and I'll do this problem without using parallel shift concept. Last, I'll be getting all the answers. Let me see. First, it is going towards east. East बोले तो directions लिख दो. So direction क्या लिख सकते बोलिए? इधर north, south, east and west. East जा रहा 3 meter per second. So when it is going towards east, let us take it as v1 is equal to 3 I cap meter per second, because I is the unit vector along the east direction. Now 4 meters v2 equal to 4 meter per second, 4 j cap meter per second. So v1 and v2, right? Now simply I want acceleration. Acceleration is a delta v by a delta t, magnitudes. Fine. Then delta v means change in velocity. Delta v is equals to v2 minus v1. v2 minus v1. क्या है v2? क्या है? v2 is 4 j cap minus 3 I cap. खत्म हो गया. इधर से डायरेक्शन आ गया हमारे को. डायरेक्शन कैसा है? पहले क्या देखना बोला मैं? 4j, 4 के साथ j जुड़ा हुआ. j कौन सा डायरेक्शन पे है? नॉर्थ है. उसके बाद में 3 -3 है. We can also write this one like this: 4j plus this can be written as 3 into minus I cap. If you want more clarity, as it is a bridge code, we are saying like this. See, 4j कौन सा डायरेक्शन पे है? नॉर्थ पे है. और माइनस आई कौन सा डायरेक्शन पे है? माइनस आई वेस्ट डायरेक्शन पे. So this nothing but minus I is in west direction. So पहले तो हमारे कहा गया north of west will be the direction. North of west. Okay, fine. उसके बाद में magnitude चाहिए. Magnitude how to calculate? Delta v is equals to magnitude of under root of v1 square plus v2 square. That is 16 plus 9. It's nothing but under root of 25, which is nothing but 5 meter per second. This is nothing but a magnitude of this particular velocity. Magnitude आ गया, right? Under root of 25, it's nothing but 5 meter per second. अब लेके उधर substitute करो. Vector A is equals to delta v by delta t. अब क्या हो जा रहा? A is equal to delta v क्या है? 5. So 5 divided by 5 क्या बन जा रहा? A is equal to 1 meter per second square. आ गया ना? एक्सेलरेशन क्या है? 1 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. ओके सर. उसके बाद में एंगल कैसा कैलकुलेट करता? राइट, एंगल कैसा कैलकुलेट करना? अब देखो, एंगल tan अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड ले लो, बिकॉज नॉर्थ ऑफ वेस्ट तो आ गया हमारे को. नॉर्थ ऑफ वेस्ट बोलते नॉर्थ से वेस्ट जाना, नॉर्थ से वेस्ट जाना. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ रिजल्टेंट, व्हिच इज नथिंग बट इसका रिजल्टेंट क्या बन जाएगा? 5 मीटर पर सेकंड. दिस नथिंग बट 5 मीटर पर सेकंड. नॉर्थ ऑफ वेस्ट, राइट. Fine. Now north of west, what is the angle? Angle क्या चाहिए? So angle चाहिए बोले तो ay by ax. देखिए ay by ax. ay कौन सा है? 4. ax कौन सा है? 3. तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना इधर, right? So 4 divided by 3 बन गया. 4 by 3 का अल्फा क्या है? 53 बोला, 37 बोला, 53. So alpha is equal to 53 degrees. खत्म हो गया. North of west. So north से वेस्ट तक खींचना है. नॉर्थ ऑफ वेस्ट. सो व्हिच इज नथिंग बट हाउ सर? कौन है हाउ? मेघना? So sir, by using the values. Yeah, already I've given the triangle for this one in the previous classes. Might be you are not preparing any notes or you are not revising any notes before coming to the bridge course. Fine. So already we have given a triangle. Fine. How to find 37 and okay, just confuse. Okay, fine. So this is nothing but 37. फिर भी बोल रहा हूँ, right? So what very important thing is to understand any class, you should be thorough with the previous class and previous classes. अब only you will be comfortable 100%. Okay. So this is nothing but 37 degrees. 37 say this is 3, this is 4, this is nothing but 5. 37. और 53 का वैल्यू देखिए. This is a triangle for 53 degrees. 53, 4 और 3 और 5. अब tan 53 क्या बन जा रहा? 4 by 3. So what is the angle? 53 degrees. समझ गया ना? Right. Plus or minus 5. Yes बेटा. Plus or minus 5. ये देखो, इधर देखो, बांध दिया मैं. दोनों का क्या बोल रहे हैं? Magnitude. Okay. Magnitude is a positive value. Plus or minus नहीं हो सकता. Because it is nothing but magnitude plus positive, right? Modulus, yeah. This is nothing but modulus will be calling. Whenever there is a modulus, it will be what? Positive. That's the reason magnitude बोले तो positive. समझ गया इधर? Yes. Anybody? Any doubt in this one? Shall I give a problem? One more problem to you. Yes. बोलिए. Yes. No. जल्दी. जल्दी बोलना. Shall I give a problem to you? Yes or no? Yes. Right. Waiting eagerly. चलो भाई. Take the problem. The difference of two vectors. Please listen carefully. 4/3 नहीं होता त्रिजा. 4/3 तक छोड़ना नहीं. तुम्हारे नॉलेज जो है ना उस तक भागना बस. ओके. 4/3 तक छोड़ना बोले तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So whatever the knowledge that you have to go beyond that one. जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ ना मैं, अगर जो सर नहीं पढ़ाते तो उधर तक छोड़ देते. पढ़ाना वाला मैं हूँ ना. I am there, right? Definitely you have to write. कोई बोलता नहीं एग्जाम्पल. बहुत सारे लेक्चरर्स को नहीं मालूम है, right? चलो, leave it. This is a different topic. Now the difference of two unit vectors. Write down the question. The difference of two unit vectors is a unit vector. देखो, the difference of unit vector is a unit vector. Unit vector तो मालूम है आपको, सही बात है ना? The difference of two unit vectors is a unit vector. The difference of two unit vectors is a unit vector. Find the angle between two vectors. Find the angle between two vectors. Find the angle between two vectors. Options I am giving. What exactly is asking? The difference of two vectors is a unit vector. So options I am giving: A option 0 degrees, B option 30 degrees, C option 45 degrees, D option 60 degrees. Chalo. Right. $60. Somebody saying 60 degrees. What's the option? A, B, C, D. Now I'll give some more hint to you. You can solve it as, let us see. Here, let us take vector A is the first vector. The magnitude of it is 1. Vector B magnitude is 1 again. Okay, magnitude of it. And the resultant difference of two unit vector. Difference बोलते कैसे लिखते हैं? R equal to, right, vector A minus vector B. This is what a difference. Right. Vector A minus vector B. Difference. So R is also it is nothing but 1. अब कैसे solve करते हैं? Vector difference बोल रहे. Vector difference. Right. Vector difference का magnitude कैसे calculate करते हैं? Can anybody tell how to calculate the magnitude of this one? Magnitude कैसे calculate कर सकते हैं magnitudes? कोई बोल सकता vector difference का magnitude, vector addition का magnitudes? हाँ? So this is nothing but using parallelogram law, vector addition, that is vector subtraction under root of. This is, we can also write A plus minus of B. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. सही बात है ना? A plus minus of B. Under root of A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. This is the way that we'll be writing. A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. समझ गया? A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Right? Okay. Now he is saying that resultant is 1, 1, 1. पूरा 1, 1, 1 है. So this is nothing but 1. Squaring on both sides, 1 square is 1 only. Is equals to magnitude 1 square 1 plus 1 minus 2 into cos theta. 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos theta. See, once I start the problem, धीरे धीरे आपको answers आ जा रहा, right? Initially when you try, the answer is different. Slowly I will started the problem. Okay, 10% completed, 20% completed, 30% completed. Slowly you are getting the right answers. Fine. So now I can write 1 is equals to 2 minus 2 cos theta. अब क्या बन जा रहा देखिए, 1 is equals to 2 को कॉमन निकालो, 1 minus cos theta. अब क्या कर सकता हूँ, 2 को इधर लेके आ जाइए, 1/2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta. अब cos theta को लेफ्ट साइड लेके आइए, cos theta is equals to 1 minus 1/2. अब cos theta is equal to 1 minus 1/2. अब क्या बन जा रहा देखिए, cos theta equals to 1/2. अब theta क्या बन जा रहा, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Hopefully nobody given this answer. Anybody gave this answer? Difference of two vectors, addition of two vectors. Okay. So both the things we can do this one. This is the answer for that one. So D is the correct answer. Those who got, congratulations for them. How many of them got D? Before I start that problem, before I started the problem, how many students got the answer? Can anybody tell? कोई बोल सकती क्या? None. Right. चलो me, Nishant, me, no. Sir, me, Saket. चल. Okay, Justin भी आ गया है? Justin भी आया. चलो और एक शानदार प्रॉब्लम बोल देता हूँ. Fine. चल. Right. It means, see, simply listening the class, understanding the class is not enough, Baba. You have to practice a lot, practice. ऐसा कैसे practice करता सर एग्जाम ही नहीं हुआ? नहीं ऐसा नहीं बोल दूँ. What I can say, at least 1 hour, just you have to revise the previous classes. When class is going on, just make a short note, just revise it. You try to understand for yourself, in your own words, try to keep in the words in your own notes, and try to give the answer. Involvement should be there. Then only you'll be successful in the long run. Okay, like flowcharts, you can prepare it as, and just you can go through it how we are doing it as. Sir, what sir is saying? Okay, orally what I'm saying. So keep that, catch that points and write it down as a notes. Fine. Okay. Now one more problem we'll do. Are you ready? Yes, no, boliye. No. Yes. Okay, sir. So this is also given in a 4 marks question. 4 marks question in your intermediate first year examinations. Always it's a standard question. You can feel in vectors, a standard question always asked in your intermediate level, first year level, intermediate first year level. अगर आप ये कर सके तो, you got 4 marks. Parallelogram अगर आए तो 4 marks. So 4 plus 4 हो गया 8 marks. अब बच गया कितना? 52 पढ़ना बस होता है. कॉलेज का आके कितना पढ़ना? 52 पढ़ना भैया, बस होता है. Right. So 4 and 4. If you are able to see parallelogram law, definition, diagram, and derivation, if you are thorough with that one, fine. No, yes. No, yes, no. What is that, Nisha? Right. Now, you can go with this one. Let me take a problem. Right down. The problem, sum and difference of two vectors. Just remove that one. Sum and difference of two vectors. Sum and right. Sum and difference of two vectors are equal in magnitudes. Sum and difference of two vectors are equal in magnitudes. Find the angle between two vectors. Sum and difference are in equal magnitude. Sum and difference. Difference was the a minus b, a plus b. Both are equal. Then what is the angle? So options I am giving. Let me take here one more options I'll give. 30 degrees, B option 45 degrees, C option 60 degrees, D option 90 degrees. Once again I'm saying the sum and difference of two vectors. Sum and difference of two vectors are equal in magnitudes. Then calculate the angle between two vectors. So, anybody answer? Anybody? 90 degrees. बहुत सारे लोग 90 डिग्रीज बोल रहे. राइट, 90 डिग्रीज. चलो देखते 90 है, 120 है, कौन सा है भैया? सम एंड डिफरेंस. लेट मी टेक. आर यू रेडी? एनीबडी गॉट? वन स्टूडेंट गॉट सी ऑप्शन. और कोई है? कोई है क्या? और एक स्टूडेंट को सी ऑप्शन आया. और एक स्टूडेंट को डी ऑप्शन आया, और एक स्टूडेंट को डी, और एक स्टूडेंट को सी, बी. सो एवरीथिंग यू गॉट इट एज ए बी सी डी. ओके, ए बी सी डी छोड़ दो भैया, ए बी सी डी. लेट अस सी. See, he's saying that sum and difference of two vectors are equal magnitudes. See, this is nothing but difference of magnitude of difference of two vectors, right? That is a minus b, just in a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. First, we have to understand this is nothing but the magnitude a minus b, magnitude, difference of the magnitudes. Next is sum of the magnitude. Sum of the magnitude क्या बन जाएगा? Plus is nothing but sum of the magnitude under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. हो गया ना? This is sum and difference. Sum magnitude, difference magnitude. Sum magnitude, difference magnitude. He's saying that sum and difference magnitudes are equal. Magnitudes are equal. ये बोल रहा हूँ. Sum and difference magnitudes are equal. अब क्या हो सकता है बोलिए? So both you have to equate it as according to the given problem. If I equate under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta is equals to, this is a plus b, which is equal to under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Right? Square से square गया. Right? A square, b square चले गया. So what is left over here? 2ab cos theta equals to minus 2ab cos theta, right? Yes or no? On both sides, what are the common terms? Just I cancel. This is both sides cancel. That is root and root cancel. A square cancel. B square cancel. So what is left over part here? 2ab cos theta is equals to minus 2ab cos theta. So take this minus 2ab cos theta from right side to left side. Then it will be added up. If it is added up, that is nothing but 4ab cos theta, which is equal to 0. Right? 4 cannot be 0, a cannot be 0, b cannot be 0. Because a is a magnitude, b is a magnitude, it cannot be 0. It should have a particular value, it cannot be a null vector. So that means only the thing cos theta can be 0. कोई बोल सकता है पूरा term is 0, it is wrong. It's not पूरा term नहीं 0 होता, right? So this cos theta will become 0. Cos theta is 0. For which value it is 0? कोई बोल सकते क्या? For which value it is 0? बोलो. Which value? Theta is equal to cos theta is equal to 0. When theta is equals to 90 degrees, then only theta will become cos 90. So cos 90 is equal to 0. That means theta value is how much? 90 degrees. समझ गया सब लोग? Yes or no? जल्दी बोल. Yes or no? Yes. Right. See, he has given like this. This is one of the model problems in addition and subtraction. So any doubts still here? Anybody? Let me know. Any doubts? Which doubts I get? So triangle, next class will be it is a triangle of vector addition and polygon law of vector addition, how we'll be adding. That is the thing that we are going to discuss in the next class. Then we'll be discussing scalar products. These are 3 topics we have. Scalar product, only scalar product, it is there in the syllabus, right? Okay, all of you? Yes, only dot product, no cross products. Uploading बोले तो upload होते रहेगा बेटा. कहाँ होता है बोले तो. Okay, so thank you. Bye, see you. Fine, even I have to attend for the next class. Bye, see you in the next class. Bye.